Hello everyone, welcome to Tangaza after 38 years of struggling, pushing, going miles and miles and miles. Now, Tangaza, 2nd of May 2024, the history of school is going to go down today. It's the privilege of all first years across the country that to win this space here in Tangaza. So join me as I give you this update step by step. My name is Abel Kipto and stay tuned.
And then we have the maize. And just like the other one, you can also see, Your Excellency, there's quite a bit of symbolism there. You can see an African drum somewhere at the top. You can see a cross. And this is a commitment by the university that they would like to be centered in Africa. And likewise, you can see it's the same with the logo. It continues with that theme. Thank you, Your Excellency. And then we have the seal, and the seal we'll be using for the same purpose. Thank you very much. And then we have the accreditation report that also contains the information that we have given the university, including the programs that we have accredited. And the university will be using this. And now, Your Excellency, and the team that is assisting, I would like to ask you if you would kindly take your seat, please. Tangaza, please remain on the podium. Tangaza University. No, Your Excellency, you can have your seat. Sorry. It's just Tangaza University for purposes of the installation of the Chancellor. So I'd like to ask the Chancellor designate of Tangaza University to come so that he can be installed. And the installation will take place. They will be assisted by the Vice Chancellor and the Chair of the Council. This installation is by Robin, so I'm expecting that Tangaza University. So from today, he becomes the Chancellor of the Tangaza University and will take the responsibility in accordance with the Universities Act and also in accordance with the Charter. They are just making sure that it's perfect. It's a solemn occasion. Thank you very much. I think you can now let me wear the cap. Thank you very much, Tangaza University. And now, Your Excellency, I would like to invite the team that is going to help us move the instruments to the Vice Chancellor. That means the instruments that we've just given here will now be moved from the Chair of the Council to the Chancellor and then to the Vice Chancellor. Please, team, take your positions in the order the charter first, the maize, the logo, the seal, and the accreditation report. Your Excellency, it's important that these instruments are passed over to the Vice-Chancellor so that now he takes the helm of the university as a fully accredited university. So let's begin with the charter, and we'll move the charter from the chair to the Chancellor, and then we move that to the Vice-Chancellor. Asante sana. Then we have the maize, and it takes the same movement from the chair to the Chancellor to the Vice-Chancellor. Hongera sana. Thank you very much. You can pass it over now to the team. And then we have, you can just pass it on, the logo. And it goes through the same process. And from now on, it's officially in the hands of the Vice-Chancellor, so we can hold him accountable in the universities. We have the seal, and it's passed on in the same motion. So the Vice-Chancellor now has the seal. They can be able to authenticate their documents and make sure they are genuine. And finally, the accreditation report. Thank you very much. And that is a document that contains on how we accredited you. That information is there. You can make reference to it. Thank you very much. I would now like to ask you to have your seat so that then we can have the Management University of Africa do the same thing. So I'd like to please line up accordingly, and we'll have the instruments transferred in the same way that we did for Tangaza University. So let's begin with the charter. Again, as we mentioned, the charter is the legal document that they will be using to run the affairs of the university. And we'll be checking to make sure that they adhere to that charter that has just been given by His Excellency the President. And then we have the maize. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, if you look in the middle, you see some kind of a flame, and I'm told that means hope, vision. They want to impact Africa. Thank you very much. And I think you can see the pen I mentioned a little bit earlier. Thank you very much. And the logo. Thank you very much. It's visible. You can see Management University of Africa right there on the logo. If you can just pass it on. Thank you very much. And then the seal, the one that makes sure that all the documents coming from this university, which are sealed, are then authenticated. We can recognize them as legal documents. Congratulations. And then we have the accreditation report. May I now ask everyone else to take their seat except the Vice-Chancellor. And I would like the Vice-Chancellor of Tangaza University to also join the Vice-Chancellor of Management University of Africa. And the reason why I have called you here is because I would like you to take your maize and you lift up to the people and you cause celebration. So if you could just take your maize and then together you raise it up to the people.
Let us now celebrate the full accreditation of these two universities and award charter by His Excellency.
Thank you very much. Would like you to, you can just put them back, or we'll, yeah, just put them back. I will invite now His Excellency the Nuncio to just come and do some dedication of these instruments, Your Excellency.